Good morning. Excuse me. Good morning, Vietnam. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the bombist. We are off. We're back off to the races today. Another good day. Woke up. I guess. It's better than being down more, right? It's better than Bitcoin being 20. Let's hop on over to the desktop. It's a lot better than Bitcoin being 25,000, 20,000. Some people are talking about. I want to do a quick recap of the chart I did a video on yesterday. Like, subscribe, bell button. How is everyone doing today? So as I pointed out yesterday, in 2017, this is kind of where I see us at right now. We saw a 40% dip in June of 2017. It lasted 4 weeks. 42% chili dipper. And then the rest of the year, it was pretty much up. We had another 43% dip that lasted 2 weeks in August, but it was 147 days of weeklies, 21 weeks of up to the races, and a pretty big top right there towards the end. The last 13 weeks, it was 574% gains. Cut to where we are now. Let's take a quick look. We're seeing a lot of similarities, right? A lot of similarities. We have, where are we at? 3 weeks right now, 31%. Oh my goodness. All right, here we are. So here's where we are right now. We're at 5 weeks, 53% dip. Pretty similar. And I think we're starting to see the recovery. I pointed this out yesterday that I would not be surprised to see this. I do think getting over 40,000 is going to be a big test. Bitcoin's pushing 37.8. It has seen a high today already of 38. What has it been? Like 38.8. So not bad. Cooling off a little bit right now. Everything's cooling back off. Ethereum was over 2,400. Cardano was pushing $1.50. But we'll see. For me, I'd like to get above this red line right here and hold that. And then get above 40 and then get back up to the 20 and kind of go from there. Let's see what the RSI is doing. Started turning a bit bullish. We're looking at the weekly. Let's hop this over to the daily. All right. I don't know why this is so ugly right here. There we go. All right. What do I need to do to fix this? I'm uncertain. Anyway, looks like we have a bullish cross and it's still kind of holding. So that's looking positive. Again, I think this might be the move up. We could see, we could see a little bit of up, a little bit of pullback, a little bit of up. I do kind of see us hitting the 70K fairly fast by the end of June. I would not be surprised to see that. And I could see a similar pattern playing out where we do kind of get up to here and kind of maybe dip down again and then kind of just start moving back up above 100,000 and then, shooting up fast. This 150 days, roughly 150 days from this 53% dip will put us around the end of October. That's where a lot of people see, that's a lot of people see the cycle ending. I'm not so sure. I'm ready either way. I've told my plan numerous times. My plan is, and it's right here. We're still in DEFCON 3 or 2 range. If Bitcoin starts stumping and ETH starts pumping, DMAC in the house. Good morning. If Bitcoin, so market pumps, market dumps, market relief rallies. So if this market continues to relief rally and not get past all-time highs, Bitcoin starts dumping and Ethereum goes parabolic. I'm taking profits like crazy. I don't think that's what we're going to see here. I think we're going to get a new all-time high here coming by the end of June, July, and then we're off to the races, 6 figures. We're going to take a look at the Cardano price prediction. By the way, DMAX says, a key observation here is that this is not looking like 2013 double pump. It's structurally playing out like a COVID white swan where people on the sidelines took the opportunity to. Yeah, a lot of people are throwing around the 2013 Me personally, maybe it's a bit of 2013, maybe it's a bit of 2017. Everyone expects it to just always be the same. I mean, it's not. There might be some things that are similar. And when you look at patterns, you can always find a pattern. You can always find patterns. What I see is I'm not overly concerned by this 53% dip. In fact, I bought the dip. I bought Cardano yesterday at $1.17. I bought Harmony One at 6 cents. That's up 40%. My Cardano, you know, it wasn't easy. I was down. Let's pull up the portfolio. And there's going to be some red on there still, I would imagine. Yeah, the graph, Polkadot I'm down on. D-Max pick Ontology I'm down on. I kid. I love you, D-Mac. I love Ontology. And then Harmony One, man. I've recently started accumulating the hell out of Harmony One. I love Harmony One. It's another smart chain. I think it has a lot of promise. It reminds me a lot of Cardano in the early days. And I think Harmony One is going to be a $10 play by 2025. Again, it's a long play, man. This dip was a buying opportunity for a lot of people out there. And I look forward to the bear market. Hopefully, I've taken a lot of profits. I've timed what's going to happen perfectly. Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum pumps. I get a lot of cash on the sidelines. And then I've already have a plan of whether or not I'm trapped and don't get out, or I do get some profits out. I have a plan of working my ass off, making as much money as I can to buy as much cryptocurrency as I can when times get bad, when times get into the bear market, because the next halving, it's on like Donkey Kong again and we're off to the races. Newer and newer all-time highs. Ontology to the moon. I bought the dip and sold here. I'll rebuy. Oh, you're on the camp that Bitcoin's going to 25K. Man, I hope not. Right now, like I'm like, yeah, dude. I'm worn out, man. I'm glad this dip's over, and I hope it's over, and I hope we're back off to the races. I'm not selling. If Bitcoin goes to 25K, I'm not selling. Again, I think I retweeted it. Let's pull it up. Plan B, very famous person. He has the most, so far his model's been the most, accurate. He tweeted out a very, something that I said yesterday in my stream yesterday too. So let's see if I can find this quickly. Fear and greed. All right, so here we go. I see my Bitcoin investment as a call option. I will either ride it to 0 or 1 million plus. Hodl or die, baby. It will dip, bro. Scam wick to really. Yeah, it could. It could. It could. I think you're wrong, but I think it could. It definitely could, right? I don't know, man. Like, how much more do these whales want to like scare? Like, you scare too much, you might scare it down to like, you might set the bull run back, or Bitcoin back decades. So I don't know. It's a tough game, man. It's all looking really strong right now, but it could, right? We do have options expiration. Futures expiration coming up this week. So it'll be interesting. I have no idea. I do know that this is my model. HODL or bust. As Plan B says, I am less interested in 100 to 288K, basically where a lot of people think Bitcoin's going this year, but he's focused on the 2024 halving and beyond. I don't care about volatility. Asymmetric return is key. 0 versus 1 million. So this is it, man. Like, invest, and I've said this a million times, and keep investing, keep dollar cost averaging, keep taking every little penny you can and invest in the stock market. But it's very important you invest money that you are basically treating it like you're driving down the highway and you just threw it out the window and it's gone, right? If you're investing money like that, it doesn't matter. You're not going to be freaked out, right? And I know it's hard to do. Like, even for me, don't look at the prices. Stop looking at the prices. Just stay focused on 2024, 2025. And if you buy as much as you can afford during that time period, you're gonna be doing really, really well. Not financial advice, not your financial advisor. Just what I'm doing. I got a lot of skin in the game. right? I'm not out here shilling. I got a lot of skin in the game. And we're going to talk about Cardano on a $40 price target today. Cardano is probably my favorite crypto. I wish it all the best. I love Ethereum. I love me some Bitcoin. But I'm definitely hodl or die on Cardano. I like the mission. Cardano's got the Alonzo stuff coming up real soon, like real soon, any day this week, next week, something like that. I don't know the exact day. And let's take a look at the Cardano chart. It's doing pretty good. It's holding strong in this bear market. Well, I mean, this bear dip, it's not a bear market. When you got your Polkadots, man, Polkadot went from 47 to 15. Ugly. And Polkadot's great. Polkadot's a great buy still, even at $20, in my opinion. This will be back up to $40, $60 plus. They got the Kusama parachains coming up. I think this is one of the best buys on the board. I think Harmony One's a really good buy. I think B-Chain's a really good buy. And I still think Cardano's a really good buy, though it was an amazing buy yesterday. Cardano, like $1, what did it wick down to? You might not have been able to get it at like $1.05, but I bought it at $1.17. Man, I'll buy it. If I have the money, I'll buy it all day long at $1.17. I think Cardano, personally, my price target, and I'll be very happy with this. We go out, I think it's going to fall between this pink and blue line. It could have a parabolic move above the blue line and then come back down. So at the end of the year, $4 to $6. Maybe a parabolic move if it goes. So if the market goes parabolic, market pumps, market dumps, market relief rallies, Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum goes parabolic, it could hit really high numbers like 10, 15,000. Cardano, it's going to flow into your Cardanos, your Polkadot, your Binance Smart Chains. Cardano could see a pump up to like $10, right? But if you see that, like, it's really time to start taking some profits, in my opinion. And I will be. Definitely hit that notification bell because I will be going live and I will be, if I think it's the end, I will be getting on and I will be discussing that as fast as I can. At first, I got to get my, I got to make sure I got all my ducks in a row and we've taken some profits off. So let's look at an article. Top crypto analyst extremely bullish on Cardano unveils massive price target. So a prominent trader and analyst who continues to build his following with his timely calls on crypto assets. I wasn't following this guy. I have seen him pop up a few times in a series of tweets. Trader known as Capo. Does he play guitar? No, it's like a capo, right? It's a it's a mobster thing. Anyway, unveils his bullish outlook on Cardano plus Bitcoin and 3 more altcoins. The trader predicts a massive price target that plots 88 towards $40. He expects the asset to reach a target sometime early in 2022. So he is obviously not a proponent of this bull market ending towards the end of the year. I really don't think it's going to either, though. Cardano $40 early 22. That's some parabolic ass shit right there. So $40. Like, I don't know, Capo. Following ADA's quick and repeated bounce from the $1 level, indicating strong support, he doubled down. So he thinks, dude, I hope I'm wrong. I want him to be right. Like, you think I'm gonna complain if I have? I mean, I'm probably not going to have 110,000 Cardano when it's at $40 because I'll be probably taking some profits before then. No, it's going to kill me. I don't want it. I don't want my Cardano bag to go below maybe like 90 to 80,000. But I wouldn't mind taking some profits off. Just initial investment off the board, free ride, etc., etc. Let's see. All season just. What does that even? Oh, alt season just began. Sell in May, walk away, pump and expect after July 4th. Maybe. You might be right, dude, but I'm not fighting Uncle Sam, right? Like, if I would have picked the top of Bitcoin at 65,000 and sold and then bought back at 30,000, 25,000, I'm just barely ahead of Uncle Sam at this point, right? Just barely. And that's, to me, it's not worth it, right? And that's if you're perfect. It's impossible to be perfect. The Cardano, I bought $500 of Cardano yesterday at $1.17. I bought $500 worth of Harmony One at 6 cents. And 2 days ago, I bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin at 38,000. Obviously, it would have been better if I would have waited a day. But man, dude, like I didn't see another 30%, another 30,000 going into that Sunday morning. So that $2,000, I will play around with it. I will probably trade that around just to have some fun, just to keep my appetite from, eating me away, just trying to keep me. But most of it, it's hodl, man. Hodl or die. Right around the end of January, when I'll be hitting the 1 year mark, the long-term capital gains mark. I don't know if we can get there. Like I said, market pumps, market dumps, market relief rallies, Bitcoin dumps, Ethereum goes parabolic. If that happens in August, September, October, I got to take profits, right? I mean, Uncle Sam be damned if it looks like it's the end. Take profits, have cash on the sidelines, wait for that bear market. Don't take it all off the board. That way, if it's not over, you continue to make gains. And then when it does dip, because there will be a dip, no matter what, there's always going to be a big ass dip in crypto. Whether it's a 50% dip, 60% dip, or a bear market dip, I will now have hopefully plenty of cash on the sidelines buy during the bear market. And no matter what, when the bear market comes, I'm still going to be working, right? Every little spare change I got, I'm going to be buying your probably heavily Bitcoin, because that's the coin you pretty much want to be in during the bear market, because it's going to be the first one to pump. So maybe buying some other altcoins with that too. Let's take a quick look at the stock market, and then we'll go through the pricing one last time, and then we'll wrap this up. I am looking to make these streams, nice 10-15 minutes in the morning. Probably start adding an afternoon stream too. I've already got some titles that I'm thinking about, like Voyager sucks ass, Runaway, Voyager's horrible. Obviously, those aren't going to be the titles. I don't need Voyager coming after me, but I'm getting out of Voyager, and I mean, even the app, we're definitely going to be talking about that. We'll never stop talking about Cardano, Harmony One, your Polkadots, your Binances, and your Bitcoins. I got another video I want to do. Chia is a pyramid scam. I'm plotting my ass off over here, and my estimated time to win is barely staying at 5 months. So I'm starting to feel like Chia was a bad idea. Though we'll have to see pools. Pools are coming. I think pools could change the game on that. So we'll see. But, anyway, let's see how we're doing in the stock market. The NASDAQ, man, the NASDAQ was down yesterday when we did our Sunday stream. It is on. It is strong right now. The NASDAQ's up 170. The E-mini S&P is up 29. Yesterday, I was seriously thinking about liquidating this account and YOLOing long cryptocurrency, maybe. So I have my mana. I'm not accumulating anymore right now. Right now, my main focus is probably going to be Cardano and Harmony One. Harmony One, I'm really starting to fall in love with. I think there's a lot of opportunity there. And so, as I mentioned, I'm considering liquidating in this account, this stock account. It has a net lick of around, I don't know, like 25,000. I'm getting my ass handed to me in Coinbase over here. I think Coinbase is going to turn around, but man, if DMAC's right, I'm gonna have to act quick. If Bitcoin goes to 25,000, dude, I would love to be able to just buy one more Bitcoin, right? So I'm still considering liquidating this account. Take some losses, like I take a $6,000 loss in Coinbase. It's the end of the day, it's like whatever, man. I'm kind of tax harvesting my quarterly tax payment at this point. I hate taking losses, and again, I think Coinbase will turn around. But with crypto at prices they are right now, dude, shit's on sale, man. And I think there is like Polkadot, $20. Are you kidding me? Like I want to gobble some more of that up, right? Bitcoin, Bitcoin at 30,000, man, I would gobble that up all day. I still love it. I think Bitcoin's going to 70,000 by the end of June, July. I really do. DMAX says it's not going to start to July 4th. DMAX might be right. I don't know. So again, stay tuned. I might be liquidating, like I'm like this close to doing it, liquidating it. And I could move it over to this account where you can trade crypto. Right now, I only have Bitcoin and Ethereum. We up on this count. Profit and loss year to date starting to get a little slim after that huge chili dipper, but I could buy Polkadot over here. That being said, I probably won't. I'll probably move it to Binance or Kraken. With Kraken, if I buy more Polkadot, man, $20,000 will buy me a lot of Polkadot, and you can stake that at 12% interest. Maybe I yellow it. Who knows? Anyway, stay tuned. Did not really mention how the stocks are going. We got some green, which is nice. Let's run down the positions. So Coinbase, again, down 6,000. My DraftKings, we got 25 days to go, and that position's down. What was that? This is not good. Not good for the good kids. So we need a massive move. I need a $10 move in DraftKings, or that one's going to be a loss. GNOG, man, and that one just keeps taking my money. I'm down $80 and a 2.5 wide put spread. Hyliion, we doing okay. I'm only down $4. We got 25 days to go on that. I wonder if I can roll this. I can roll it for about a 6-cent credit. I may look to do that here pretty soon. Usually about 20 days you want to roll that or close your position. Neo, another big loss. We're gonna need we can make up $5 in the next 25 days if the market rallies. And NDM, this one's been tough. I've rolled this one a lot, so we've taken a lot of credits on this. So while this current position is down about $74 overall, let's take a look at the chain. I don't think it's doing that bad. Let's see. Not really sure why that's not showing up. I'll take a look at that another time. Palantir, got 100 shares. Man, I see I could liquidate that. That's $2,000 I can use to buy me some Polkadot. And then Tesla, man. Tesla, still, it's red. The market is going crazy. The stock market, the Nasdaq's up 160 and Tesla's red. I don't know. Tattooed Chef, not looking too good there either. All right, and we are going to wrap this up. Let's see what the prices are doing. We got Bitcoin 38,000. Can it get to 40,000? Can it get past that $40,000 level and hold it? Or are we going to 25,000 like DMAX says? I bet you lunch we don't go to 25,000. No, man. And I don't want to be wrong. All right, Ethereum 2,400. It's looking good. It's looking strong. Cardano $1.48, $1.49. Let's see where it can go. Let's see. I'd like to get back above the pink line. I think that's where it deserves to be. Yet Alonso's coming any day now, and I do think all those projects that we've discussed quite a bit, I do think there's going to be a massive pump in that. And Polkadot, in my opinion, one of the best buys on the board right now. This was an amazing buy below $30. It is absolutely freaking on sale at $20 and below. Anyway, I'm wrapping this up. I may do a stream tonight, so be sure to hit that notification bell. I will definitely be back. 6:25 a.m. PST. Be there, be square. Love you all, and peace.